loves, so welcome back to my channel Realistic Mama. I am Shaniqua, and as you can see today we're going to organize my refrigerator. It truly needs some help. So I'm going to start by taking everything out of the refrigerator, including in the bins at the bottom as well as the door, so I can wipe down every part of the refrigerator before we restock everything and put everything back where it's supposed to go. So as you can see, I did take everything out of the refrigerator. So now I can go ahead and clean it out from top to bottom and then go ahead and throw out everything that I no longer need. So now that the refrigerator is completely clean, I can now put everything back in there in a nice organized way so that I can see everything and not have to reach over things or let things go bad because I can't find them. Hey loves, so as you can see, I did go through everything that I took out of my refrigerator so that I can throw away anything that was pretty much empty or that was expired. So once I was finished throwing everything out, I was able to see what I had in my refrigerator. So I started restocking all of my bins, and some of the bins I have are new, some of them are old that I had already had in my refrigerator. Hey loves, so as you can see, the bins are very helpful because it helps you keep everything together, very organized. So once you put it in your refrigerator, everything can stay in its place. So I absolutely love and definitely recommend you to get the bins. So once I was finished with my refrigerator, I did have to tackle the freezer, and as you can see, it was just as unorganized as the refrigerator. So I did the same thing. I just removed everything, I cleaned it out, and then I put everything back, but used the organizing bin so that everything can be nice and uniformed and very clean. Hey loves, so as you can see, everything looks amazing. These organizing bins are so helpful, so I really recommend that you go out and get you some so that you can make everything easy for yourself. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like my video and drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you do not miss a video. Have a good one.